120 by 20 room, advanced paneling and trim work, huge oversized artwork. And what I really needed was one tool that had dots, lines, full room leveling, included the tripod right out of the box, green lasers that I could even see at noon right now when I have the peak of brightness, a laser giving me really good floor to ceiling alignment. I really appreciated how bright the green laser was. It really did simply work, and it covered the whole room. This is a 20-foot ceiling, broad daylight. I can still see the lasers. It does have an on and off button, and you can control either just horizontal, just vertical, or both. Very visible battery indicator, and the green light does 360 all the way around the room. And I'm loving this tripod. It has a lock or unlight fixture when you get exactly where you want it, as well as a level bubble here that you can rotate very simply with the use of the handle right or left to get it exactly where you want it and then lock it in place. You can fully adjust up to 180 degrees. Both lasers will rotate wherever you need them and stay either 90 degrees or the angle, whichever you like. Also really like the quick release feature. You can just snap it in place or not. The attachment goes right in and you don't have to even worry about screwing it. You can put it on a tabletop and then click it right back in. This does also rotate for wherever you need it if you do need to do horizontal rotating around the room. And when you're ready, just quick attach, lock it back in place, and it's good to go nice and steady once it locks in place. There also is a feature to take it to the opposite direction. So you can rotate it sideways to go horizontal, and you can still use that leveling button there to get it however you like. It is just a quick release on all of these features. Really well thought out. Really appreciate that. And once you put them back into the standard position, they all lock in place. So I feel like this thing is just really well built, durable. I am not worried about it falling over at all. And it couldn't be easier to adjust to the exact height. There is a lock in place, but there is a rotating mechanism. So once you can rotate it to the tiniest degree, you can lock it and it will stay there. Rubberized feet, 3 areas to do massive manual locking in place, and then you can fine tweak it at the end with the rotating device. When you're done, detach the quick lock mechanism, throw that in your bag, and then you want to take down any height adjustments that you've done. All of it is a really quick self-release, locks together, and you just unclip the heights and it all comes together in the included bag. Again, the more I mess around with this is metal construction. I'm really not concerned about the quality of this. It just seems durable, which I really appreciate. So overall impression, I love it's one tool, handles multiple jobs. It is USB chargeable, tripod saves a lot of setup time. I like the green laser, it's so easy to see. The dots make ceiling alignment easy. Here's where you can recharge with USB-C, so you can just use your standard phone plug if you have like an Apple device. Super versatile tripod with no extra purchase necessary, and I just really like how easy this thing is to grab, go, lock, and move it on along. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.